This video will demonstrate how to use the Todaylist and Favoritelist features. First, open the Cherry Proxy client. I'll extract an IP from the port proxy to simulate how you might use an IP in your business operations. After extracting the IP, click on the Todaylist tab at the top to switch pages. The IPs you've extracted and used will appear below, along with their current status and details. Next, right-click on an IP and select Add to Favorite List, or simply click the star icon on the right side of the IP route to add it to your favorite list. Once added, click on the Favorite Proxy List tab at the top to switch to that page. In the Remark column on the right side of each IP row, you can add a text note to label the IP, making it easier to find later. If a favorited IP is no longer needed, you can right-click on it and select Unfavorite to remove it from the favorite list.